Come test drive the 2022 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Come take a test drive today.